Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech with Unique, and today we're going to see how to draw a border in your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to draw a border on your Microsoft Excel web, I just going to show in this video. So to draw a border on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer, first of all, you just click on the border option. So it is on the font option here, the strike through. So this is called border. Just click on this arrow section and here you will see an option called draw border. Click on this. Now you will see have an option called like pencil. You just click on this and drag like this, like a drawing. So you can just click it and just leave that, it will draw the border automatically. So for an example, here you can see how I just draw the border. So for an example, you can just drag a circle like this, a square like this. You can just easily draw the border inside the Microsoft Excel using this. This is how you just draw a border on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.